Hello everyone, welcome to the Mahak Entity Blogs. In the last video we have discussed about the heredity and its its relative role in the individual development. Today we will discuss about the physical development during the infancy and the childhood. First, we should know what is the meaning of the development. Meaning of the development is the series of orderly progress towards the maturity. After this, we should know what is the meaning of the development. What is the development in the child? Development in the child is the social development, physical and motor development, aesthetic development, intellectual development, emotional development, and creative experience development and language development. After this, we should know what is the infancy. Infancy is divided into the two stages. First, lasting from the birth towards the 3 years, and second, last till the child to the 6 years old. Now we will discuss about the infant development. The child weight decreases in first 2 weeks of his life because much of water decreases from his body. The most important precautions acquired by the parents in the child development during the infancy is following. First is food. Food is important consideration, very important, most important consideration in the child development during the infancy. Because at this time the body show the rapid growth, so the child diet should be balanced and administered at the proper time. Generally, Laird and his associate conducted an experiment and noticed that the child depend upon the milk and the other nutritious food had progressed 8% more than the child depend upon the only normal diet. Generally speaking, all the doctor and scientists believe that the milk is the best food for the infant body and his growth, because at this time infant body and its strength develop, so milk is the best variety for the digestion in the body of the infant. Mahatma Gandhi believed that the goat's milk is very digestible food for the infant growth, but scientists believe that the cow milk is most digestible for the physical and mental development of the infant growth. Cut. Now the second point is cloth and the cleanliness. So second point is cloth and cleanliness. In infancy, the child bones are very weak and tender, so it is very necessary. Much care must be exercised in cleansing him. Olive oil massage is best for him. Lack of attention in the child development may be contracting many diseases. In the Indian style, child should be take bath at least one time in a day and bed cleansing also in the same manner. Infant and the bed should be kept free from the urine and the waste matter exerted by the child. Never eschew bed smell. Bad smell affects the health of the infant. Tight fitting clothes also interfere the blood circulation and the delicate health. Cloth should be reasonably loose and according to the weather. In the winter season, we should wear the cloths warmable and the full sleeves. Head should also be covered with the cap, and sun bath is also necessary in the winter season at least for 1 hour. But in the summer, least of the cotton cloth should on the body of the infant for breathing of the lungs and skin pores. Now the third point is sleep and upbringing. During infancy, the child requires more sleep. He should allow to sleep just like the sapling. The proper amount of sleeping helps in the adequate and the proper development of the body. Normally, this time child awakens when he feels hungry and goes to sleep immediately when his stomach filled. In the first month, child cries when he feels hungry, but it is not necessary when he is crying he is hungry. Such intemperate food spoil the digestive system and give the worst affection on his health. It is scientifically more desirable to feed the child by the clock. Children are normally very much attracted in this age towards the bright object, and if they manage to get their hands on them, they begin to suck them. On the bed, flings of the arms and legs about much to his own good as it exercises his limbs. Now we will discuss infancy prior to the childhood. The second stage in the development of the child is the time between 3 to 6 years old. This stage is also called the last stage of the infancy. This period comprehends the development take place between 3 to 6 years age. The first 3 years of the infant is also called the period of the agglomeration. Actually, all the child required in first 3 years need the strength and made it stable in next 3 years. In the first 3 years, we can easily guide them and learn them. But in the later 3 years, this is the task to teach them and understood them. Now we will talk about the childhood development. The childhood development is divided into the two stages. First, growth period. Growth period is the time between 7 to the 9 years old age. It is very similar to the infancy period, because in this stage child take interest in the object according to their environment and continuously increases. This is the best time to educate him. Education should be designed according to his instinct. Physical development in this stage is very slow, so game should be designed like this. He could get profit and profit from it physically and mentally. This is the age. This age is also important in respect of possibility of good habits and the high ideals. His physical comfortable is not to be neglectable. This is the stage when the child possesses the quality as the energy, enthusiasm, freshness and capacity of labor, etc. Second is the period of maturity. In this stage, a child especially develops the social consequence. He should be encouraged to meet others and cooperate with them. The child should not be allowed to make the vagabond. His every work should be praised, just like collecting a stamp and healthy habits, etc. Thank you for watching this video, but don't forget to like and subscribe.